This first one is dedicated to all of my friends and family. Wrong button. Alright, I'm gonna rap. Check me out, I'm cool. Check it out. Alright.
Put the fucking put the fucking mic on.
I wear these sunglasses the whole time. Yeah. Move your body. Move your body. Move your body. Move your body. Bought a shotgun at Walmart just so I can ball cops, son. Walmart! Breakfast, now that's what I call my YouTube. Let me know there's a problem. Honey, love me like Lucy, Babalu. Knocking Gucci in the coupe, eating gabagoon. How'd you loot every time the dude rock you? Depending on the size of your shoe, probably robbing you. Gotta do what it makes you gotta do. Where's your road at? Where the drugs at? I don't got a clue. Wakey holler for a dollar in the crowded room. Hop in the Impala, bada big bada boom. Colorado to Guatemala, the hottest fool. Hit the song, but probably think you baby mom in school. Verses like a Bible thumper, you not in tune. With the diabetes, honey toucher, late to do. Cool but rude. Bitch, I'm nasty now. Not afraid to school a fool, you can catch your L. Rapping well since the school cafeteria. Hold the gas superior, most you can't delirious. Y'all ain't hearing us, fucking serious. Try not to catch the feelings, but you really suck. Imaginary hammer tuck, you're the nuts like suck. Looking at it, but fear and blood.